Hey everyone, I'm here with my last and final layout. Oh, thought I heard a noise. See, he's going from window to window to window to window looking for lizards. It's a nice cool morning. It's like 62 or 65, and so I am opening the windows. Anyway, so the background is matte cardstock, and then the snowflake pattern. Hold on a minute. So, no, I put snowflake pattern, but that actually should be snowman pattern. Is UK Club's Keeping Cozy, called Snowmen. Hey. Alright. So I'm going to use the chipboard stickers, which are Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy. So this is a picture of my niece Jada, and she wanted to go outside and take some pictures, which is absolutely gorgeous with the snow, ice on the trees. Like your own little winter wonderland. And when they were taking pictures, she had little snow, like a little bit of ice or snow start to fall on her head, and then there's a picture where it come down on her head, which is awesome that they were able to capture all of that. Ouch. So I was going to start steam cleaning my bathroom when I start my house cleaning, but Mateo got up so I can start in his, or I could do my bathroom, kitchen, and then his bathroom. Because I tend to steam mop from the garage door to my bedroom. We'll see. I'm going to try to start early this morning cleaning, so I'm done. But I want to get some done before it gets light out, because it's supposed to start storming at around 11, and I want to get out and do some weeding in the back flower bed. It's the only one I have left. I did the front yesterday and planted my wildflower seeds. But I want to finish weeding the back and beside the garage, so I can I'm going to weed beside the garage so I can plant some. I'm going to put a garden there. I was going to plant wildflowers there, but I think I'm going to do a garden instead. And then who knows, maybe I'll get to mop real quick. And where did you come from, bug? Anyway, so let's see here. The swan die cut is from Hip Kit Club's Keeping Cozy. Snowflakes are also Keeping Cozy metallic puffy stickers. Falling is also Keeping Cozy puffy stickers. And then on my is American Crafts Happy Life stickers. Head is American Crafts Rose stickers. And winter is Hip Kid Club's Keeping Cozy. And so I'm just gonna do my title, and Patton's in my way, so I stop and do it. I'm like, oh, you'll see it on the picture. So there we go. And I don't know why I put winter. But anyway, that completes my layout, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.